In today's recipe, I am bringing you the simplicity of fresh vegetables and herbs, and I am going to pair it with the ease of putting together a chicken skewer that I am going to cook in the air fryer. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Once again, all of this can be enjoyed by those that are following a low carb diet and those who are not. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you guys, please do me honor doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And if you like what I'm bringing you here today, along with the other videos that I've been bringing you, please do remember to give this video a like and a share. You guys, the freshness of these vegetables is a cucumber and tomato salad that I am going to put in some fresh red onions, some mozzarella cheese, along with some dill, and I'm going to toss it all in my homemade vinaigrette and the chicken skewers. You guys, this has already been marinating in the fridge. Very, very simple. I've got some salt, pepper, some garlic powder on it, and some lemon juice. Let it marinate so all the goodness can soak into that chicken, into the fridge, and then you guys, this is ready to skewer. So without further ado, get all of your ingredients together, come in close, and let's put together a phenomenal meal. Okay, everyone, so the first thing that I want to do is to marinate this chicken. I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about half hour or so. Of course, if you want to do it the day before, put it in overnight, you can do exactly that to save time. So I'm going to start with cutting up this chicken into cubes. And I want to make the pieces as even as possible because this is what is going to go on these bamboo skewers. So you want this to cook evenly. Okay, you guys, these cubes are ready to season. And yes, that cutting board is gone. I am that person, you guys, my OCD. I went ahead and carted that cutting board over to the sink to sanitize it along with the knife and my hands. Yes, I am that person. That's why it takes me sometimes, you guys, so long to cook because I'm the one that stops the clean in between. Let me tell you, I am that person. Put in the comments if you do that too. But anyway, let me go ahead and season this chicken. I'm going to start with some avocado oil. Now this is chicken breast, and this avocado oil just helps to retain some of that moisture. And it also helps these seasonings adhere to this chicken. I've got some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder. Actually, this one's not open yet. Okay, you guys, I'm back. This is the one that is open. So this is my garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. I want these things to be flavorful. And of course, I am just showing this to you because this is something that I like, but choose the seasonings that you prefer because again, this is your recipe. You have to eat this, so you want to make it your own kind of special. And the last thing I'm going to do, you guys, is some fresh lemon juice. I love this juicer because you just sit it on the counter and then obviously I have it in wrong. It goes like this. Can you tell this is new? Okay. You put you put it on the counter and then you just squeeze, you guys, or just press, just like that. Not squeeze, press. And then lift this up and guess what we have? Lots of juice. All right. So pour this juice on this chicken. Okay, that's plenty. Give this a mix. So this is ready. So at this point, I'm just going to put some plastic wrap on this, sit it in the fridge, and then we are going to move on to the next. Okay, my chicken is out of the fridge, and all of that goodness has soaked into these pieces of chicken. And over here, I've got my skewers, guys, bamboo skewers that I purchased from Amazon, and they have been soaking in some water so that when I cook them, they don't burn. All right, so let's go ahead and skewer. And it's probably going to hold about 6 pieces, I take. Okay, that's about 5, and that works for me. So I got a little handle at the end and the beginning, so that works. And I'm gonna continue to do exactly the same thing with the rest of this chicken. All right, guys, and this is the last one. And this one happens to have 6 pieces. So this one's gonna be for me. All right, so now that this is ready, oh, doesn't that look phenomenal? And again, the fragrance of these herbs on it, oh, phenomenal. So what I'm gonna do now is just set this aside and then sanitize these hands, and then we're gonna get ready to put together this cucumber tomato salad. All right, you guys, so these are my ingredients for my cucumber tomato salad. So I've already diced and deseeded my cucumbers here, and this is what I use, you guys. If you want, you can definitely take the peel off if that's not something that you're into. I don't have a problem with that. But again, what I did is I sliced it and then I made sure that I took out the seeds, okay? This is a salad for 2, so that's why I only use about half of a large cucumber. And then my tomatoes, okay? These are grape tomatoes. They are so big. What I ended up doing is I actually sliced them into thirds. Okay. All right, so, and another thing that I did too is I also sprinkled some salt on these cucumbers. Absolutely love the flavor of salt on my cucumbers because it brings out the goodness in them. So to this, I'm gonna add my tomatoes, my red onions, and give that a toss. And you guys, do you see the colors of this salad? I'm telling you, there is nothing like fresh vegetables. This looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set all of this aside so that we can get into slicing up this mozzarella cheese. All right, you guys, so this cheese is out of the package and I am going to go ahead and slice it into cubes. All right, just like that. Okay, and then this is gonna go into our salad. And this is plenty, so I'm gonna save the rest of this because I truly believe I'm gonna be making the salad again tomorrow. So let's go ahead and set this aside. I'm gonna wash my hands, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put the finishing touches on the salad. Okay, up next is some fresh dill that I have chopped up. Go ahead and sprinkle this on top. Just visually, this looks so appetizing. Look at that. And the last thing is some of this homemade vinaigrette, and I will leave the ingredients for this on the screen. Give it a toss. So you guys, this is ready. So this meal is almost done. I've got my chicken skewers over here. I am going to heat the air fryer, put these in for about 12 minutes or so, and then you guys, we will be ready to eat. Okay, this air fryer is heated. Go ahead and put in my liner, and in goes these skewers. All right, guys, I'll see you when they're done. Okay, guys, these are ready. All right, everyone, let's eat. Lord, I thank you. Just the freshness and deliciousness of these vegetables and the herbs, and at the same time, keeping it simple, but not compromising any of the flavors and just how good this stuff is. Give it a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And leave in the comments that you did. And please do remember to give this video a like and a share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. Remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And just one other thing, you guys. I don't know if you remember, but I mentioned earlier in the year that I started our garden. And this is some of the veggies that are harvested yesterday morning. So leave in the comments what you think that I should do with preparing them. I've got eggplant, zucchini, tomatoes, and some and some green peppers. So you guys, leave in the comments what you think I should do. Stir fry them, make a salad. Let me know. I would love to know what you would do with these delicious fresh veggies. But again, thank you again for being here. And remember to keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fat 50, and enjoy.